Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This week, we are doing all around the world, and today I'm doing Mexico. So we're gonna make a Mexican lasagna. Yay! It's my first time making it, so let's pray this comes out great, okay? Alright, so you know how we don't eat meat, so we use the Beyond Beef combos for the meat. So I just put this in the pan. It cooks in a few minutes actually, so I'm gonna put the onions in so that can start cooking. There's a whole onion chopped up. Put that in there. Alright guys, so I have the meat going in my pan over here. So it's just the meat and the onions, and after that I'm gonna drain them and then add the sauce. It says spaghetti sauce or enchilada sauce, whichever you prefer. So I got the enchilada sauce. Mexican dish. So then it says in a large bowl to mix all your cheeses and your beaten eggs. So I have 16 ounces of the cottage cheese in the large bowl right now, and the beaten egg, and now I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese, cheddar, and parmesan. I'm only going to add half a cup. Half a cup of each of the cheeses. Alright guys, so for the next part, it tells me to line up the pan with the flour tortillas. So we got a pack of 10 tortillas. So I'm lined up the bottom of the pan. The meat is mixed with the enchilada sauce. So that's what this is in the pan. So come a little closer here. I don't bite. So, here we go. So I'm lining that up, and then now I'm following this recipe that I got. So I sprayed the pan, I lined the bottom up with the tortillas. It said to add 1/3 salt, 1/3 cup of... Alright guys, so I don't think these are that accurate, these instructions, so I'm going to do it my way. I'm going to layer the whole bottom with the meat, and then layer the next with cheese, and keep going 2 more layers, but you want your top layer to be the sauce, so that way you can dress it up at the end. So stay tuned. 5:11, so at 5:43 we will take this out and see how it comes out. Yes. Guys, so I took it out the oven and topped it off with some sour cream, tomatoes, and salsa. You also can put lettuce on it. We are not putting lettuce on ours, but it does say lettuce. And olives. I do not like olives, so I did not put olives on it. But yeah, here is the final dish. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso. Stay tuned for next week's video.